sponsored by Roborock. Most people know Roomba as one of the pioneers in the robot vacuum industry, but what they might not realize is that there are alternatives out there that can offer a lot more value. Today I'm breaking down the Roborock Qrevo Plus versus the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus to show you why Roborock might be the smarter choice for your money. Let's start with intelligence and navigation. Basically, the brain of your robot vacuum. The iRobot S9 Plus uses something called VSLAM. That's visual, simultaneous location and mapping. And think of it like the vacuum trying to create a mental map of your home using a camera. But there's a catch, it needs light. So if the room's dark or you want it to clean at night, it's not gonna be as effective. The S9 Plus struggles in low light environments, and that is a big limitation. Now, compare that to the Roborock Qrevo Plus, which uses LIDAR navigation. It's the same kind of tech that a lot of self-driving cars use. LIDAR doesn't need light. It's all about lasers, meaning it doesn't care if it's day or night. It's gonna create a super detailed map of your space, and it's fast. Roborock's LIDAR is like having night vision. It works quickly and efficiently, mapping and cleaning without all the bumping around, hitting corners, or needing multiple passes. It's smart, it's fast, and it's just more reliable. And then we've got multi-level mapping. If you have multiple floors in your house, the Roborock automatically detects which level it's on. You don't need to do anything. No manual setup, no extra calibration. It just knows. And that's crucial if you're looking for something that will take care of the entire house with as little input as possible. Next up, obstacle avoidance. Both these vacuums claim to handle obstacles, but there's a real difference here. The iRobot S9 Plus uses an RGB camera to identify objects, but it's not always foolproof. It'll sometimes miss small items or misjudge obstacles. Cables, shoes, pet toys. It's gonna bump into these and even drag them around, so it's not ideal. Roborock, on the other hand, uses structured light technology. This is next level. It doesn't just see the obstacles, it actually assesses the size, shape, and distance almost like a depth sensor. And the result is it's better at avoiding small clutter like toys and socks and significantly reduces the chance of getting stuck. It's less babysitting. Roborock gets it right, meaning you spend less time rescuing it and more time just enjoying clean floors. Next, let's talk about what may be the most important part of a vacuum cleaner, that being the suction power, the make or break feature of any vacuum. The Roborock Qrevo Plus has 7,000 pascals of suction power. It's a big number, and for context, most robot vacuums have about 2,000 to 2,500. Some of the best in this price range might hit 4,000, but 7,000, that is a serious upgrade. It can easily pull dirt, dust, and debris from deep within carpet fibers, stuff that's often left behind by less powerful vacuums. Now the Roomba S9 Plus says it has 40 times the suction of the Roomba 600 series. Now that's good, but we don't actually get a Pascal number like Roborock provides. But when you put them through the test on both hardwood and carpet, the Roborock consistently comes out on top. Fine dust, cereal, pet hair, you name it, it cleans it up with ease. And for pet owners especially, the difference is noticeable. Roborock gives you fewer passes and more results, which means it's just doing more deep cleaning every single time. Then there's the brush system. The iRobot S9 Plus has dual multi-surface rubber brushes, which sounds cool, but more moving parts means more maintenance. You've got 2 brushes to keep an eye on, and that just means more time upkeeping your vacuum. Roborock keeps it simple. 1 rubber brush. Simplicity here is key. Less can go wrong. It's efficient, durable, and does the job well without the extra hassle. Plus, the brush design minimizes tangling, which is a major win again for pet owners. It's a smart and streamlined approach that just works. Now, when it comes to setup, the Roborock Qrevo Plus shines. The smart app interface is super intuitive. You can name your rooms, create no-go zones, set cleaning schedules. It's all right there. Once you set it up, it's basically fire and forget. As I mentioned before, the multi-level mapping works great. You don't need to tell it where it is. It just knows and goes to work. And then there's the multifunctional dock. This is where Roborock really pulls ahead. It doesn't just empty the dustbin. It washes and dries the mop pads and even refills the water tank. Imagine not having to wash those mop pads manually or refill the vacuum. It's a true hands-off experience. And this is what sets it apart from the competition. Now, if we could compare that to the Roomba S9 Plus, it doesn't feature a mop at all. Meanwhile, the Roborock is equipped with 2 spinning mop pads that rotate at up to 200 revolutions per minute, effectively removing stubborn stains and mimicking hand mopping results. And the mopping module will also lift up to 10 millimeters to avoid wetting carpets while cleaning. So this means your carpets remain dry while hard floors are mopped. And the flexi arm design allows the mop to extend and retract automatically when edges are detected, ensuring superior edge and corner cleaning even around things like furniture legs. So for a similar price, you can get a robot vacuum that's more powerful and has mopping built in versus what Roomba's offering, which is just the robot vacuum, and even that isn't as feature rich. The S9 Plus has a self-emptying bin, which is nice, but it's nothing compared to the Roborock's full service dock. So what's the verdict? The Roborock Qrevo Plus is the clear winner in just about every category. By the way, the Qrevo S is the budget-friendly vacuum robot with multifunctional dock for $459.99 for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And the Qrevo Plus that I've been talking about here is more advanced because it has that side mop, so customers can select the multifunctional dock according to their requirements. All this for nearly the same cost as the Roomba S9 Plus. So as you can see, this isn't just about saving money, it's about getting more for your money. If you want power, convenience, and fewer headaches, especially if you have pets or a larger home with multiple levels, Roborock is the smarter pick. It's just a better overall package. If you're ready to make the upgrade, check out the link in the description below for the best deal on the Roborock Qrevo Plus. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andru, and I will catch you in the next video.